Hello everyone, welcome to the official channel of Excel Design Technologies. Today we are going to create a floor plan in BricsCAD and how we can do the modification, how we can use some advanced tools like copy guided and move guided in BricsCAD. So we will look into that and going to create the complete layout in BricsCAD. So first go to the more section and here we have multiple templates are already available. So according to your requirement, you can select a template and then click on create new. Now this is the interface of BricsCAD where we are going to create a new layout. So whether you want to create a line command from the panel area or you can select it from the line command from the command line. And the third method is a quad menu. So just right click and there itself we have a line command. So I'm just taking a start point of a line, going to start a ortho and want to create a line of 10 feet. Now for zooming it or zooming out this section, you can use a zoom command or you just go to this look from section and click on the middle to zoom the section directly. Or you can use a mouse wheel also to zoom this object as per your requirement. And for creating this room, you can also use some other tools like the rectangle tool or polyline command. But right now, I'm not using those tools. I'm just creating with the simple example. So we have the value of 10. This value is 15 feet, and one more that is 10 feet, and we can use this to close this line. Now, when we are selecting this entire object, you can see while selecting this window selection method, and when I'm moving this object, then there is a quad menu available, and from the quad menu we have different selection method, and we can easily select this tool called join. And why we are joining this? To convert this entire object into a single, this multiple objects into a single object. Now we have this tool called offset command, and we can easily create offset inches. So you can see how easily we are creating the lines, and after that by using the quad menu how we can create any kind of a projection or any kind of a offset directly. So from this section we are creating one more line that is for 15 feet and one more line that is for 25 feet, and that section is for the another room. And now I can take a reference of this end point to create a line up to this particular section or up to this particular point and take an end point. Now again, if you want, you can select the entire line or these lines into a single object by using this tool called join command. And later, if you want, you can easily use the offset command from the list and offset this object up to the 9 inches. Now you can say how easily we created the entire object. Now for deleting this section or removing or trimming this section, you can take a trim command. But the best part is just move your cursor to the object, and there itself we have a trim command. And when we select this trim command, automatically this extra object will remove from this entity. Now we are using a trim command again. Now my two rooms are created. I need one more small section, and the size of this small section is 6 feet by 6 feet, and we are going to create one more section here. Select this object and use a join command again, and we can easily offset it up to 9 inches. Now you can see how easily we are creating with the help of this quad menu. You don't need to take the commands again and again and follow the process. Now here I just want to create a window. So for that, I'm just taking a line command and just creating a line, a vertical line. And this window size is 4 feet actually. So I'm just using an offset command to offset this object to 2 feet in the left side and 2 feet in the right side. Now need a line command again to create a center line, and this will be a symbol of the window. Now if you want, you can offset this to show the thickness of the window, maybe for 1 inches here and 1 inches here. And if you want, you can easily remove the center line of this window. Now we have a window, and if you want to copy the same window in some other walls or in some other areas, so you don't need to use the copy command the traditional way, because always the probleming is if I remove this section by using a trim command. So this is a symbol of a window. And now if I'm using a copy or a move command, the biggest problem is we can easily copy it, but we need to join the lines and we need to trim the lines every time. So whether using this traditional way, we have different method that is called a copy guided and the move guided. So we just need to take a copy guided command and software will automatically understand the path. You just need to put a value maybe from the left side this wall window position at 3 feet, and at the same time you want to put one more window maybe is this position maybe for 2 feet. So you can see how easily we are copying this entire window to multiple walls, and the best part is we don't need to do the trim section individually. Software will do it for you. Now my all the walls the windows are created. At the same time, if you created any door, for an example, I'm just creating a line here and just creating a circle. So creating a line and want to remove the unwanted section, you can easily remove that. And later if you want, you can easily create a door maybe for 3 feet. So this is a symbol of a door that you want to add in this drawing and want to remove the extra portion that you can easily remove it. You don't need to use the trim command in a traditional way. You can directly trim the object like this. So this is the best way to trim the object whenever you want. So right now I don't need to trim the entire section because this is the symbol of the door. First you need to create a line and then only you can easily trim the section easily. Now this is the extra portion. And now if you want to just highlight a center line for the door and want to offset it maybe for 1 inches here and 1 inches in this direction, remove the center line, use a trim command to remove the extra portion which you don't want in the drawing. So this is a kind of a symbol of a door. Now you want to use the same symbol for other locations. So the problem is when we are using a copy guided, again you need to trim the lines and this is a long process. So we can use a copy guided and the move guided. Software will automatically identify the path, and the best thing is you can change the orientation easily and put a value, and software will automatically do the trimming section for you. So you don't need to do it manually. So here we have different ways by using those methods or by using those positions, you can easily place this door easily. So you don't need to do the things manually one by one. And still it is not a block actually. So if you want to do any modification, maybe in the windows you want to do some kind of a modification. So we have a tool called Blockify, and you just need to select a particular object which you want to convert into a block, and maybe the position or the insertion point, and now software will automatically identify the similar kind of object in a single time. You don't need to search it one by one, and now easily I can convert this entire object into a window. Now you can see we have multiple examples and easily we can replace them, and now these all objects are converted into a block. So whenever you want to do some kind of a modification in the window, maybe any particular section you want to add, maybe you want to add a thickness of this section for 0.5 inches, you want to show the thickness of the window, so you can easily do the changes, and whenever you save it and close it automatically for the other position also, these kind of a modification will happen automatically. Similarly, if I want to convert the doors into a block in a single time, we have the same Blockify command. We just need to select a object and the insertion point. Now software will automatically identify the remaining doors and you can easily convert them into a block in a single time. So this is a best tool when we want to create a layout, and easily we can do any kind of a modification in the layout section. Now in the right panel area, we have a library section. And in the library section, we have different kind of libraries are already available. So right now I'm just going to use the furniture that is available in the 2D environment. So right now I just want to import this pad. So you can easily import this pad. And if you want to change the scale, that you can do it easily. And at the same time, maybe you want to add some other examples. We have different examples, maybe the table you want to add. So this kind of a modification you can easily do. So now you have an idea how easily we are going to create a layout in the BricsCAD, and whatever the tools like Blockify and the copy guided, those tools will definitely help you a lot to do the modification. For an example, like maybe you want to change this position of the door, and here you want to place it maybe a distance from this to 2 feet from from the upper wall. You want to move it to the 2 feet distance. So easily software will use the alignment and automatically join the lines and remove the lines automatically. You don't need to do that one by one. So with this simple example, you have an idea how we can create a layout inside the BricsCAD. And if you like this video, don't forget to share this video to your friends, to your known ones. And if you have any other query, or if you have any other topic on which you need any video on BricsCAD, just let us know, or just just put your comment in the comment section area, and we will try to create another video for that. Thank you. Have a great day.